Okay, so it has been soaking for 8 hours. So again, I've washed my hands, and I'm going to go ahead and go to the counter here and dump out my soap water. Now you'll notice that the water is usually brown or discolored, and that is just the nutrients that have leached out from the seeds. So you definitely can use your reserve water to water plants, put in a compost pile, but surely it can go down the sink too. So you want to discard or capture your soap water. And then I like to give it just another quick little rinse from the soap, because it's been sitting in that water for 8 hours. So from the soap, we're just going to give it a quick little rinse. Then we're going to let the water come down through the bottom. We're going to discard the rinse water. And then this is the part that's very important. You want to try and get as much of that water out as possible. So I just do a little clockwise, counterclockwise in the sink to draw as much of that water out as you can. So about 10 seconds or so. And then the inner vessel goes into the outer vessel, and you just kind of slightly elevate it here. You put your dome lid on top, and it's going to go into the growing phase, and then this allows the air to come down, around, and through the top.